What is up, you guys? Back with another video, and today I read this article titled Unexpected Ways to Earn Money While You Sleep, and I want to talk about it. So, here are the 5 ways to make money while you sleep, along with some pros and cons. And I will also, at the end of the video, tell you which one I think would be the best. So, the first one, we got affiliate marketing, and in this one, you're basically just starting a blog or content site about your passion and using affiliate links to earn commissions on sales. Below are the pros and cons to it. Number 2 is to create an online course. And in this route, you're basically using your expertise or knowledge on a certain subject and you're making an online course. And there are some platforms that you can use or making YouTube videos and posting them, whichever way you want to take. Below are the pros and cons. Number 3 is to start a dropshipping business. And in this route, you're basically selling products online without handling any inventory and you're outsourcing it to third-party companies. Below are the pros and cons, the cons mainly being very competitive. Number 4, we have to buy a rental property, and of course this one, just go really quick, it's just investing in real estate. To be honest, not a lot of people are going to have the funds to do this, so this one was kind of just, I didn't really care for this one, but it was thrown in. Below are the pros and cons. And lastly, we have to rent out your car, and you can use car sharing platforms like Turo, but I am so sorry for the typo. It's say car sharing platforms, but I only have one platform, so I apologize for that. But below are the pros and cons. The cons are the big one is the wear and tear in your vehicle. And like I said in the beginning, the best one that I think that is a more viable option is honestly to affiliate marketing. You can do it at practically zero like cost. You basically just start a blog. There's ways to start a blog with zero down on money. Now, of course, you will have to pay money when it comes to buying your domain and registering it, but honestly, in the beginning, you can write a blog, start it through Google or even do through WordPress for free, and then as you find a way to get some money, then you can buy it. And this is the easiest one. There's countless websites that I'll probably throw down in the description of how you can sign up, what affiliate marketings are the best, and what are the, I guess you say, the payouts. But this one's the best of all the other ones. Other than that, that's it for this video. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe and be on the lookout for some more. I read these articles every so often, make a video on it, and just show you guys what other people are saying how to make money. And I want you guys to be able to decide and judge on it.